The data that is collected using the Pathway4Teams application on the phone during a game can be easily exported from the database into an Excel file if you wanted to do some further detailed analysis. So I'm going to show two examples here, one where you export a single game and the other where you export multiple games with a start date range. So to export a single game, you go to Clubs in the menu, and if you scroll down you will see a list of the games that have taken place, and each one of those games has a number of icons on the right hand side that allow you to actually view various pieces of information that have been captured. In this case we're interested in the game actions or stats. So to export those, you go to the icon, the black circle with an eye in the middle, and if you click on that it will basically allow you to move to the screen here where you see at the top another red icon that allows you to generate the Excel. So clicking on that will create an Excel file which you will see appearing on once I download it. So the download icon appears next to the red export icon, and I click on that and I will see the Excel file appearing on the bottom left. And by opening that Excel file, I will see all of the game actions and stats for that particular match broken down by each player. So if you want to save that file in your hard disk, it can then be used in any way you want for further analysis. If you want to look at multiple games, you go to the panel level. So again, at the top here you will see a number of different icons. By hovering the mouse over each one, it'll tell you what the icon does. So what we want in this case is the icon that allows us to export game actions from a selected range with a start date. So by clicking on that X, I'm allowed insert the start date. So if I go back quite a while, I'll be guaranteed to get all games since that start date. Click on the export game actions button, and because there's a bit more data in this case to be exported, it's going to take a little while longer, but the Excel file will be generated in exactly the same way, and once it's ready, you will see an icon which will then allow you to download the game actions report. So click on that and you will then see the Excel file appearing on the bottom left of the screen in exactly the same way. So working your way through that Excel file, you will see that there are multiple oppositions there. So basically it's covering multiple games, and that allows you to again save the file in exactly the same way and use it to perform analysis over multiple games where you can look at trends, etc.